So I just picked up this 2007 kx250f. Needs the swing arm axle, chain's the wrong size. Timing chain is not even hooked up. Needs piston rings. It's gonna need all new bearing bolt kit. Valves need to be reshimmed. I did get it pretty cheap. I got the top end out. Everything's looking alright. It is a new Westico piston, but this, one of the oil control rings, you can see got a little dented, which kind of rubbed it a little bit. I'm trying to find it right there. It's not enough to catch the nail, so this cylinder is still good to use. Head seems fine. Valves are good. Everything seems normal. Now I'm just waiting on parts. I got new tires for it. Took all the plastics off. Took off the front suspension. And this is what we're left with. My plan now, since it's running and I know it drives, is to powder coat the frame black and clean everything else up. Take a look at the brand new bike. I'm gonna get new plastics for it. Possibly a graphics kit, but who knows. Alright, so the frame is off the powder coating and the motor's all nice and clean, so today's task is to clean up the rest of the parts. I've already started with a few, like I cleaned up the radiators, skid plate, part of the linkage, and the rear brake. Clean up the rear shock too, but I still got plenty more to do. And I'm swapping out some parts as I go. There's all the new parts there. I took all the old plastics out as well. And let's not forget about our rims and tires over there. I still have yet to paint these. I've already primed them, already primed one of them, and with this one I already cleaned up and that's ready to be painted. I'm just waiting for the weather to warm up. I want to do the black rims like this, and then these would be green. And over here on the rear brake side, we have the rear brake that's going to sit here, so I want to paint this and paint this green as well, because it's going to ride on the swing arm, which is going to be all black with a KX decal on it. Looking at all these parts, you can tell that the previous owner, before the kid I bought it from, actually took really good care of it, because this exhaust is aftermarket and pretty expensive. It's the FMF Q4, and the fork guards are real carbon fiber. They're kind of scratched up here and there, but I'm pretty sure I can clean them up real nice. Here's the other one, as well as the front disc cover. And it's also got an aftermarket handlebar with the rental unbreakables on it. On this one side, that's just a normal stock clutch lever. But yeah, the rest of it, it's in decent shape, but it's all usable. Onto the rear brake assembly. I'm going to swap out the rear brake lever, my Indy brake lever, and these are going to be taken off and painted as well.
sight was raised back in the day.
Now onto our lower and upper triple clamps.